हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूं हमारा। आप देख रहे हैं वॉइस ऑफ बैंगलोर। दोस्तों, आज हम ताज विवंता में मौजूद हैं और यहाँ पर आज गॉन्टलेट एक सॉफ्टवेयर जिसका इनॉग्रेशन हुआ है और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं फाउंडर एंड सीईओ सुमंत नारोपंत साहब से। आइए जानते हैं।
And of course, we also price based on the compliances. So if they require any of the more advanced compliances, we charge based on that. And if they want AI services, for instance, our compute also increases in the cloud. So we charge based on that.
Do you have any plans of, having partnerships?
Certainly. So we are very keen to work with partners. So we are a small company. So we don't have the luxury of building a large marketing team or a sales team. So we are working with channel partners, with sales partners, technology partners. So we're also working with cloud partners. So companies that work with AWS and Azure and so on. So that way we reach a larger number of customers.
And how do you differentiate this product with your competitors?
Yeah, that's a question that we get all the time. So I would like to say that there are some very good solutions out there. We are not the only solution provider, but some of the innovation that we are driving makes us set apart, right? So for instance, our work on AI security research, AI security posture management, we are one of the 2 or 3 companies that to implement it for the very first time. So we kind of took the first move advantage there. Also in terms of operations and support, because many of our customers say that, okay, good, you reported the problem, now what? How do I fix this? So we are providing that support, we are providing that hand-holding to many of the customers, especially if they don't have experts. So that way we are helping the customer all the way through the end rather than just giving the problem and go away.
And what is the primary target audience you have?
Yeah, so we are sector agnostic, so we actually support multiple verticals. Predominantly our customers have been in healthcare, medical devices, and finance.
And what was the inspiration behind this?
So
any backstory?
Yeah, there is actually. So it so happened that one of our customers actually suffered a data breach and they lost their intellectual property on cloud. And for this customer, we had done an analysis, but many months ago, because previously we used to do this manually. So then we realized that cloud, when our customers are using cloud, it is a constantly changing environment. What is valid today will not be valid tomorrow or 1 week later. So that's when we thought, okay, 1, we have to do a continuous monitoring platform. 2, it has to be elegant and intuitive, right? So it should not be so complicated that they should hire security experts to do the job. So that really drove us to develop this solution.
And what specific benefits can we expect if we, take the services of this product?
So I think in terms of benefits, so one, of course, ensuring that there is a peace of mind that we are scanning for thousands of security controls every single day against your cloud. So it's not just for your cloud services, but also for your code, for your AI, software supply chain. So we are very transparent. In fact, for new customers or prospective customers, we give away a free trial. So we tell them, it's our baby. We'll say that it's a great product and all of that. But until you try it yourself, you will not realize the value that it brings. So we give a free trial, so have the customer use it, then come back to us, we'll figure out what works for you.
Any one particular success story you would like?
Yeah, absolutely. So one of our customers is Movano Health. They're a very small company. They were required to comply with the US Food and Drug Administration, the FDA compliance. FDA is scary, actually. So we actually helped them through the entire audit process from a security point of view, of course, not the non-security. And FDA also requires continuous monitoring through any kind of third-party solutions. So Gauntlet has been successfully running with them. They renewed Gauntlet now about 4 months ago for the 2nd year. So we're really happy to share that that was one of our first customers. They renewed us again for the 2nd year.
And what are the marketing channels like media, then email?
Yeah.
Are you also planning on this, what you said, paid advertisement?
Yeah, we are exploring actually. So in fact, this event has been conducted through Shilahar Associates. So they have helped us through this. This is a product that requires marketing and promotion and all of that. Right now we are using LinkedIn. And through some partners, we're doing podcasts and such. But we plan to soon make some investments for marketing.
Can you share the investment size?
We are bootstrapped actually, so we have not raised any funds so far. But we are at a stage where now Gauntlet actually was incubated under a different security company called Deep Armor. So now it's spun out into its own entity. So shortly we'll be looking at investments as
What
well.
was the bootstrapping amount? And
So,
how old is your organization?
so the parent company is about 7 years old. Yeah, so bootstrapped amount is a bit hard to say actually. So because we developed it with the initial team was developers and experts within the other company as well. So over a time, we added some interns, we added some security experts, and that's how we grew it.
Yeah. No, I'm talking of how old is
Gauntlet?
your Gauntlet?
Gauntlet actually is just about 4 months old as a company. Previously, it was incubated under Deep Armor, a different company.
Any plans, to fund yourself, your company? What is the timeline you're
Not sure actually. So because the product is ready right now, so we want to generate revenues. So the more we avoid raising external funds, it's better for us. But having said that, I mean, we may need funds for marketing, for growing the team and all of that. But right now we are actively trying to sell the product so that we can become more self-sufficient.
So what is the team size?
Gauntlet is 7 people right now. That's where
Plan ahead how many you want?
we will need. So we will probably grow by at least another 6 to 7 people in 2025.
These are all related to, they're all technocrats? Or?
Correct. Yeah, so everyone is full stack developers actually. So none of them are sales and marketing. So we are, they're all on the engineering, QA, and a little bit on the program management side.
Thank you so much.